Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD USD Sellers attack 0.7100 as risk aversion intensifies. http ntvforex.com News ID B6DABB. July 23, 21:31 GMT. By Anil Panchal. AUD USD consolidates the latest declines from 0.7138 after snapping the 4-day winning streak. Downbeat NAB business confidence, federal budget announcements mix with Wall Street's first red in 5 days. Escalations in the US-China tension, rising virus numbers and record low US tips threaten market sentiment. Preliminary readings of Commonwealth Bank PMIs will decorate the calendar. AUD USD is struggling to keep the bears away while taking rounds to 0.7100, currently at 0.7095, at the start of Friday's Asian session. The Aussie pair flashed its first negative daily closing in 5 days on Thursday as market sentiment sours. However, the comparative weakness of the US dollar gives a good fight to the pair sellers. Aussie traders track equities to probe the bulls. Although the US dollar index DXY remains on the back foot around the early March lows, the AUD USD prices failed to keep the buyers on the table on Thursday. The reason could be traced from Wall Street's first negative closing after a 4-day winning streak. Some at the floor also eye the fresh record low of the US 10-year TIPS yields, to 0.907%, as the additional barometer of the risk-off mood. The US government's order to Chinese consulate, to leave the Houston, continues to heavy the risk-tone sentiment at a time when the country's coronavirus COVID-19 cases cross 4.0 million marks officially on Thursday. Also increasing warning the optimists were downbeat data from Washington and Canberra. Furthermore, the Aussie government's forecast of AUD 184.5 BN cash deficit for the 2020-21 fiscal year and a 3.75% contraction in the current calendar year's GDP also negatively affect the risk barometer. Against this backdrop, the US 10-year Treasury yield slipped 1.8% basis points BPS to 0.577%, while Wall Street benchmarks marked over 1.0% losses by the end of North American session on Thursday. Looking forward, the first readings of the Commonwealth Bank of Australia's manufacturing, services and composite PMIs for July will be the immediate catalyst to watch. Forecasts suggest the headline manufacturing PMI extend recoveries from 51.2 to 53.6, while services PMI may rise to 53.2 versus 53.1 earlier. It should, however, be noted that the qualitative factors like virus numbers, headlines concerning the U.S. fiscal plan and Sino-American tension will have a higher say in the AUD-USD moves. Technical analysis. Not only a clear break below 0.7100 threshold but tops marked in July 2019 and June 2020, respectively around 0.7085 and 0.7065, become necessary for the bears to re-enter and aim for 0.7000 psychological magnet. On the other hand, an upside clearance of 0.7150 will refill the bull spike to ride towards 0.7200 mark. Additional important levels. Overview. Today last price. 0.7094. Today daily change. 45 pips. Today daily change percent. 0.63%. Today daily open. 0.7139. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 0.6964. Daily SMA 50. 0.6847. Daily SMA 100. 0.6563. Daily SMA 200. 0.6687. Levels. Previous daily high. 0.7184. Previous daily low. 0.7111. Previous weekly high. 0.7038. Previous weekly low. 0.6921. Previous monthly high. 0.7065. Previous monthly low. 0.6648. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.7156. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.7139. Daily Pivot Point S1. 0.7106. Daily Pivot Point S2. 0.7073. Daily Pivot Point S3. 0.7034. Daily Pivot Point R1. 0.7178. Daily Pivot Point R2. 0.7217. Daily Pivot Point R3. 0.725. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.